McLaren's secret ECU revealed. Autotuner's new update will blow your mind. All right, everyone, welcome back to Baabji Motors, the ultimate pit stop where car tech meets passion. Before we turbocharge into today's fascinating update, here's something super important. Disclaimer. This video is created purely for educational and informational purposes. Every demo, every explanation you see here is to help technicians, enthusiasts, and learners explore the wonderful world of vehicle diagnostics and programming. Everything falls under fair use. All trademarks and brand names remain the property of their respective owners. Always follow manufacturer guidelines and local laws when you're working on vehicles. And now, let me grab your attention for just 30 seconds because what you're about to discover is equal parts thrilling and eye-opening. What if I told you that the McLaren Artura, already a masterpiece of speed and technology, hides an ECU nestled in the rear left wheel arch that's now fully supported by Autotuner thanks to their latest protocol update? Do you know exactly which ECU model we're talking about? If you do, drop your answer in the comments right now, and let's see who already knows their McLaren's inside out. Before we get rolling, a heartfelt thank you to my regular viewers and subscribers. You guys keep Baabji Motors alive. Your support means everything to me. But I noticed many of you still watch without subscribing. It's absolutely free, takes just a second, but keeps this channel thriving. So, can we set a little challenge today? Let's shoot for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments within the next 24 hours. Sounds good? Then smash that like button, leave your thoughts in the comments, and if you really feel generous, consider dropping a super thanks. All right, now buckle up because this isn't just another update. So here's the big news. Autotuner has just added exclusive support for the Bosch MED17.8.33 ECU in bench mode. And no, this isn't some minor tweak. This is a full-fledged protocol that opens new doors for tuners and programmers everywhere. Let's talk about where this ECU sits. Inside the sleek and aggressive McLaren Artura, a car that already commands respect with its sharp aerodynamic lines, featherlight chassis, and cutting-edge hybrid twin-turbo V6 engine, lies this very ECU, tucked discreetly into the rear left wheel arch. Sounds exotic? That's because it is. With this new Autotuner release, here's what you can now do. You can now read the Bosch MED17.8.33 ECU using bench and R. No opening, no soldering, no nightmare. The microcontroller powering it is a TC1793, and thanks to Autotuner's efficient protocol, the read time clocks in an impressive 1 minute and 15 seconds, while writing takes a lightning-fast 30 seconds. Of course, it also supports checksum correction and creates full backups, making it a dream come true for demanding tuners who value both precision and safety. And let's not gloss over how seamless this process is. Just connect to your AT tool, follow the on-screen prompts, and in less than 2 minutes you are in full control of the Artura's heart. That kind of speed and reliability is exactly what separates the pros from the amateurs. Imagine you sitting in your garage, Artura gleaming in the corner, and with just your AT tool and this protocol, you're inside the ECU adjusting parameters like a wizard. Isn't that the kind of progress that makes our world of tuning so addictive? Now, quick pit stop here. If you've been enjoying what you've learned so far, and if you're excited about unlocking more hidden gems like this in the world of diagnostics, why not show your support? Hit that like button right now. Leave me a comment telling me what you would tweak first on a McLaren Artura. And don't forget, subscribing ensures you never miss out on updates that can take your skills to the next level. Let's reach our goal of 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments today. You're the driving force behind this channel. Okay, now that you're fully up to speed, let me take a moment to share my own thoughts. In my opinion, this Autotuner update is not just a technical milestone, but also a symbolic one. It shows how accessible high-end performance vehicles are becoming for skilled tuners around the world. Years ago, working on a McLaren's ECU would have sounded impossible without factory tools. Now, you can do it right from your own shop with confidence. Personally, I love how much control this gives back to the independent techs and enthusiasts, empowering them to compete with big shops and even OEM-level equipment. It's like handing the keys of the castle back to the knights. But what about you? What are your thoughts? Do you see this as a big win for the tuning community? Or does it make these cars feel less exclusive? Let me know in the comments below. I really want to hear your perspective. And before we wrap up, here's a little random fact that might just make you smile. Did you know that the very first car to ever hit 100 kilometers per hour was powered entirely by electricity back in 1899? Yep, even over a century ago, engineers were already pushing boundaries just like Autotuner is doing today. So, remember that question I asked you earlier? I asked, which ECU model, hidden in the rear left wheel arch of the McLaren Artura, did Autotuner just add exclusive support for? If you guessed Bosch MED17.8.33, then give yourself a pat on the back. You're absolutely correct. That's the spirit of this channel. Learning, exploring, and growing together. So here's your mission, if you choose to accept it. Like this video, let's hit 10,000 likes today. Comment below. I'm aiming for 1,000 comments, so tell me what you think of this update, or share what car you'd love to tune next. And subscribe if you haven't yet. Join this incredible community of passionate gearheads and stay ahead of the curve. Share this video with a friend who loves cars as much as you do, because knowledge shared is knowledge multiplied. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. Your time and support mean the world to me. Until next time, stay curious, stay passionate, and keep those engines and minds running strong.